Now that you are a proud owner of Havells fan, in this video, we will give you some tips for safe and better performance of the fan. Ensure that the top canopy of the fan does not touch the ceiling, otherwise it may cause noise. Bottom canopy of the fan should not touch the top cover. Please check that down rod should never touch the false ceiling, otherwise it may also cause abnormal noise. Ensure that capacitor wire should not touch with the fan motor, otherwise it may create noise during fan running. If noise is observed from fan, please check blade screws, tighten them if they are loose. Ensure the mounting of the safety screw and installation of split pin in the hole provided for safe fan running. Ensure that all blades should have same serial numbers, otherwise it may cause fan wobbling and shaking. Ensure that there is enough gap between the sidewall and the fan, also between the fan and the ceiling. In case fan is not working properly and the capacitor replacement is required, replace with specified value of capacitor only. Hope these tips will help you. Thank you.